Hi guys, this is Pooja and today I'm here with one of the finest actors of our industry, the star, the eye candy of 2018, Vicky Kaushal.
Thank you,
It's
Pooja.
just Vicky throughout the
Such
year.
a sweet introduction. Thank you so much.
But yeah, like you're an actor, you're on your way. I think you're already a star and girls are going crazy after you. There's this huge transformation that we see in you from Masan to now Manmardia, Uri, Razi. It's just you're here. So
Thank
how
you.
do you feel? How are you soaking it in?
Firstly, I feel very lucky to be part of those stories, which made me go out there and reach so many people,
Correct.
their homes, their hearts, everywhere. So I'm very lucky to be working with those people, to be part of those films, and those films worked, and that's why probably my performance worked for the people. So I feel very grateful for all the love and affection coming my way. It feels wonderful. I feel motivated, and thank you, everyone. Sits me.
How sweet. But did you always think that, you expected this to pan out this way? Like, how is it going for you this year?
No,
if you
it's
take, for
been
instance?
a beautifully pleasant surprise for me. I was very excited to know कि अच्छा यार पता था इतने फिल्मों में काम कर रहा हूँ तो ये फिल्में बाहर आएंगी. These films are going to come out and people are going to watch those films. But you're always nervously excited to know कि what kind of a response would there be, if the films would be appreciated or not, if my work would be appreciated or not. So, but at the end of it, then जब फिल्में भी पसंद की गई और काम भी पसंद किया गया तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Like you said, like you believed in it, you took up a film, but response is obviously just
That
like
you never know.
you can't predict.
Yeah, you can't
So
predict.
this year has seen that, it's just like changed the game, and irrespective of how big or small the star is, it's just content over everything. So what do you think? Like, is this the new age cinema? Like now
it's
there's no
wonderful.
the therapy, the mantra
There's no
has
formula.
changed. Yeah, there's no formula.
I think there's only one formula to just come up with good stories. I think it's a year full of it's a year of किसी actor का नहीं है या किसी चीज़ का नहीं है. It's a year full of great stories, and that's how it should be. People respecting stories, appreciating good stories, and irrespective of the fact if there are known actors or unknown actors or non-actors for that matter. But it's great that stories are getting empowered. That's why writers are getting empowered, and eventually actors are getting empowered.
Correct.
It's a beautiful
the process
phase.
has changed.
It's changed. It's changed.
Initially it would be
पूरा
a star
reverse
and then
होता था.
बाद में किसने movie की है, किसने
Correct.
लिखी है, but now it's other way around.
Correct.
Great. And you are a part of it, like you, Rajkumar and Ayushmann. So I was reading this tweet where people are saying, there was this time of Khans. That will never change. Khans are going to be there, the superstars. But now we have this next gen superstars with Vicky, Ayushmann and Rajkumar. Like just, they are making their own journey with content driven films.
No, we feel grateful to the audience if they
Obviously,
if they
it
give
can't
so
be like
much
a
love.
replacement.
Yes,
It's
there's-
a different journey.
See, the thing is every year we come out with new trend-setting categories and new, this was the year of this or this was the year of that every year, and ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. हर साल कुछ नया होना चाहिए. हर साल कुछ नए टर्म्स आने चाहिए. इस साल न्यू एज एक्टर एक टर्म आ चुका है. वो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. It's a token of appreciation only, and we embrace it with open arms. But वो पार्ट एंड पार्सल है हमारी जर्नी का. हम अपने काम में जैसे बाकी सब सच्चे रहते हैं, अपनी पूरी ऑनेस्टी से काम करते हैं, पूरी मेहनत से. That's what we try to do.
Just giving it to the audience.
Yeah, but it's primarily the films getting the appreciation, and that's why हमें भी प्यार मिल जाता है. फिल्म को प्यार मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Correct. Talking about Uri, your first release of 2019, you just begin your year. Depends now how.
Literally a bang.
Yeah. You're just firing all guns out. So this is obviously out of your comfort zone. Like you're trying action. This is perhaps the loudest character. You're screaming your lungs out. Khoon ka badla khoon se. So how is the prep? Like how did it change? You obviously are like your prep. How is it? Like just tell me this year and now next year.
Uri has been out of my comfort zone, but also at the same time something that I've been craving to do. I have always been craving to do an out-and-out action film, and I'm very happy that this script came my way. And I also feel lucky कि ये किसी और के पास नहीं गए, because script में उतना दम था कि मुझे लगता था कोई भी actor के पास जाती है कोई नहीं छोड़ता. तो I'm very
So
happy
your
that
first reaction was I'm game.
I'm game. Totally. See, देखिए पहले तो एज अ सिटीजन आई हैव बीन वांटिंग टू नो कि वो अटैक्स कैसे हुए थे, क्या प्लानिंग हुई, सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक कैसे हुआ. एज अ सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री आई वांटेड टू नो. सो देयर वाज दिस inquisitive फीलिंग टुवर्ड्स द स्क्रिप्ट कि यार फॉरगेट द एक्टर, आई वांटेड टू नो एंड रीड इट एज अ सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री. फिर जब मैंने पढ़ा एज अ स्क्रिप्ट, एज अ फिल्म, एज अ कहानी, इतना रेजोनेट की मेरे साथ that I just there was not even a single doubt or a thought that कि अरे पर क्या नहीं.
You even
I
met
just had
the
to do
army
it.
officials and you
वो later on during the process,
yeah.
during the training, during the choreography, formation training, everything, military training, तब बहुत लोगों के साथ मुलाकात करने का मौका मिला for training, just to share experiences, just to get to know their mentality, state of mind, everything. जो सब कुछ eventually कहीं ना कहीं help किया मुझे perform करने में.
How was the response like after the trailer? What do you think? How has the response been? And is it like equivalent to your expectation? Did you expect like people seeing you in a different genre or different style of?
हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशंस का हमें पता नहीं था एक्चुअली. जब ट्रेलर आ रहा था ना तो हम बड़े नर्वस थे कि यार कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, लोगों तक पहुंचेगा या नहीं पहुंचेगा, पहुंचेगा तो कैसे रिसीव करेंगे. बिकॉज देशभक्ति आजकल बहुत ही सेंसिटिव इशू बन गया है, यू नो. तो हाँ, तो मतलब वो तुम्हें आजकल पता नहीं होता हवा किस दिशा में चली जाए. तो वो एक थोड़ा सा था, पर एक तरीके से हमें एटलीस्ट प्राइड उसमें था कि हमने इस कहानी को अटेम्प्ट किया है. तो उसमें हमें ये था कि चलो यार इतना तो किया है. But pleasantly we were very surprised to get the reaction that we got.
This is the best reaction.
The number of hits on YouTube. उससे ज़्यादा जो रिस्पॉन्स मिला कि लोगों ने वो पेट्रियटिज्म को फील किया और देशभक्ति को उस 2.5 मिनट के ट्रेलर में फील किया. एंड फिर जो मैसेजेस आने लगे, जो बातें होने लगी, इंडस्ट्री में जो रिस्पॉन्स मिला, मीडिया से जो रिस्पॉन्स मिला, वो सब बहुत ही बेहतरीन था. एंड कुछ मैसेजेस जो मिलिट्री की फैमिली से मुझे आने लगे वो बहुत ही हार्ट टचिंग थे. तो इट वाज वेरी स्पेशल फॉर अस एंड दैट गेव अस द एनर्जी कि अब यार अब ये मोमेंटम नहीं जाना चाहिए. अब वी जस्ट हैव टू कीप पुशिंग एंड वी हैव टू कीप गिविंग देम न्यू थिंग्स अबाउट द फिल्म टू इवेंचुअली गेट देम एक्साइटेड टू कम एंड वॉच द फिल्म इन थिएटर्स.
Correct. But when I was watching the trailer, so obviously you've put in a lot of hard work in getting into this character and being this loud, screaming and everything. Like this is not you in person, and we haven't seen you ever like that. So have you how was during your prep? Did you see any of these actors who play these action heroes and drawn inspiration? Ki maybe I can just take.
नहीं, ऐसे कुछ किसी और एक्टर का काम देख कर तो नहीं. ये तो यू आर इमोशनली रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू अ सिचुएशन एज अ कैरेक्टर इन दैट फिल्म. तो किसी और एक्टर को देख कर तो नहीं, पर सबकॉन्शियसली और ऑलवेज इंस्पायर्ड बाय मेनी वॉर फिल्म्स. मेरी ऑल टाइम फेवरेट बॉर्डर है, यू नो, ऑल टाइम फेवरेट है वो हम सब की. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो इनग्रेन्ड है. फिर एक सेविंग प्राइवेट रायन फिल्म है, हॉलीवुड फिल्म, विच वाज वेरी वेल मेड, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट वॉर फिल्म्स. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये सब सबकॉन्शियस लेवल पे आपके अंदर होती हैं व्हेन यू आर ग्रोइंग अप. बट यू ट्राई योरसेल्फ टू गिव अस फ्रेश टेक ऑन अ कैरेक्टर टू अस. नहीं, और वो सच्चाई भी नहीं, हाँ वो होता भी नहीं है. इमिटेशन इज अ डिफरेंट आर्ट फॉर्म ऑल टुगेदर. यहाँ पे आपको जेन्युइनली फील करना है कैरेक्टर को और उसकी ज़िंदगी जीनी है. मैंने अपनी तरफ से अपना बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड रखा है इस बार. चाहे वो फिज़िकली हो, चाहे मेंटली हो, चाहे इमोशनली हो, अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश की है विद द गाइडेंस ऑफ माय ब्रदर आदित्य धर, हु इज़ रिटन एंड डायरेक्टेड दिस फिल्म, एंड द टेक्निकल हेल्प दैट वी ऑल गॉट. इट वुडंट हैव बीन पॉसिबल. दिस फिल्म इज़ सो at par with any Hollywood film in terms of technique, be it the cinematography by Mitesh Mirchandani, be it the production design by Aditya Kanwar, be it many other aspects, be it the costumes by Rohit. He's really gone to the T and he's gotten into the very, it's very genuine and very detailed and very refined. So all of them coming together has made Uri the way it's looking, the way it's feeling. So I'm really grateful for all those people coming together, because we become the face of the film. But that force that you have behind you, that gives you the confidence to really go out there and just give your 100%. And I'm so happy to be working with this.
We really hope that this film actually reaches out to the audience and they connect and they get to
Praying
know what
every
is the
day.
story. Yeah, really. And that's the start of the year, so it just gives us a start, the audience, at the cinemas. After Uri, you have Takht, a big film that's coming out. It's a multi-starrer. So what is your prep for that? And your character, if I'm not mistaken, you're playing Aurangzeb.
मुझे पता नहीं, मैं बोल सकता हूँ नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, पर मुझे आज ही पता लगा है कि करण जौहर साहब ने बोल दिया है. तो मुझे पता नहीं. हाँ जी, मैं औरंगजेब प्ले कर रहा हूँ. और इसी साल फिल्म शुरू होगी, अभी वक्त है. उसकी प्रेपरेशन को लेकर या किसी भी चीज़ को लेकर अभी वक्त
You're
है.
working with Ranveer for the first time.
Ranveer for the first time.
And he has
which I'm
this- yeah.
Supremely excited to work with him. He's such a bundle of talent and with great energy. उसकी energy contagious है. And he's such a jovial person, such a person full of life and happiness and positivity
But
and
even
energy.
during prep, he has this. He's this method actor. He
Yeah,
just isolates and he's
which is great.
in his own space.
Which is great. Which is great.
So
Like you know because
have you guys like already bonded?
no,
how
not
you will
abhi.
get into it?
नहीं,
No.
bonded हाँ, but not related to Takht.
Film, हाँ.
We started bonding but not related to Takht. पर अभी तख्त की बॉन्डिंग अलग से शुरू होगी, उसके लिए वक्त है अभी.
Yeah, that's like a huge process that
हाँ
you
जी,
go. So
हाँ
many
जी.
people. Which film of yours you watch all films of yours once
हाँ,
it's
फिल्म
released?
देख ही लेते हैं, एक बार तो
So
देख
which
ही
is
लेते
your like if you were a viewer and you had to see yourself and review yourself, like which is your favorite film of the year?
फेवरेट फिल्म ऑफ माइन.
हाँ, your film. Like
नहीं,
obviously you
वो
give your
बहुत-
best, but when you watch it and then there's
उतना ऑब्जेक्टिविटी हमारे में
नहीं.
नहीं आती बिकॉज you've really lived those parts and you've lived that journey.
So no
with those
regrets,
teams.
like you've given your best
Absolutely
and
not.
it's done.
Absolutely not. हाँ हाँ कोई regret नहीं. इनफैक्ट मैं लकी फील करता हूँ उन फिल्मों
Any
का हिस्सा
film
बनने
through
में.
this journey wherever की आई थी मेरे पास and शायद due to some reason you couldn't take it up.
हाँ,
and
but you don't regret it.
You don't.
You don't regret it. वो सब पार्ट एंड पार्सल है और जो मैं बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर हूँ उस फैक्ट का कि जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है, you know. तो कभी ऐसे रिग्रेट फील नहीं होता.
Thank you. That was Ricky for you guys. Do watch Uri in theaters and on. You want to say something?
उरी रिलीज हो रही है 11 जनवरी को 2019. प्लीज़ देखिए. ट्रिब्यूट है हमारी तरफ से, एक हम्बल ट्रिब्यूट है इंडियन आर्मी के लिए. एक सच्ची घटना पे आधारित है. उरी अटैक्स हुए थे, सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुआ था, उसके पीछे की कहानी कैसे हुआ था, कब हुआ था, क्यों हुआ था, सब कुछ जानने के लिए प्लीज़ देखिए उरी द सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक 11 जनवरी 2019 को.